Tingnan natin kung bakit nakaka-eto siya.
Putang ina pre, kaya ayaw kong magpahiram ng motor sa inyo tangina. Ayan, nagdisgrasya kang inayupak ka. Ano na... Okay, mom.
What? Ano ba yun? Ibigay mo may butas ng ilong ko?
Dito ko titingnan yung pinapanood mo. That's us. Sino yan?
Tingin ka.
Ay, parang iba yung eyes ko dyan. Iba yung mata ko.
Oo nga lang.
Sa Pancake House. Dahil pina-update mo yung badge mo kanina. We're here sa Starbucks. Yan. You have donut. And then yung salted caramel piyaya. And then the new drink. Birdie! Si Birdie.
And of course, yes, before tayo mag-proceed, together with Tita Amy and together with Birdie, ayan, let's have, ayan, our dance presentation, of course, hanging dapat all the way from McDonald's na. Okay, Birdie, ayan, once again, welcome mga ating audience for performance of Birdie.
Tama magpe-perform sa Birdie.
Come on!
Sayang inaantok si Birdie.
Once again, pakinggan naman natin our winner sa Miss Melanie Marquez. Thank you so much for joining. Ano na? Ayun, wala ka na cash prize. Once again, and of course, before po tayo mag-start sa ating program, ayan po everybody, sa lahat po ng ating guests, batiin naman po muna natin si Isa ng isang Barbas. Happy birthday! Ayan, ang beautiful naman ang ating salaran. Once again, batiin po natin si Isa ng Barbas. Happy birthday in 3, 2, 1.
Ano yan?
Happy anniversary, Wap!
Wow! Thank you!
Ay,
Nilaki lang ng
handsome.
grabe. White bear.
Open mo. Kaya mo yan dahil may meeting ka, mapupuso mo yan.
Wow! It's a real bear.
Yes, because that reminds
No,
me of
hindi
you.
siya real. Grabe.
Oh,
Tell Louie.
yes. The big bear meets the small bear. Did you like it?
Of course, I love it.
I love you, husband. Happy anniversary. Go up. Go up. O, ilagay mo food. Dito mo lagay sa edge lang. Hindi mo naman kailangan ilagay lahat. Yung mga food muna. Sir, boy. nagsusulat lang siya. That's the Joe Goldberg we know. Ooh. Mga pabangkay. Oh, Joe Goldberg is back. Yan na. Totoo na yan. Hindi na siya imagination lang. Ganyan siya pag ano yung nagre-relax.
That was underwhelming.
Oh my God, anong team name?
Picture tayo.
Yun na naman. So before we start, we just want to promote the collaboration that we've been doing recently, TTT and Make-A-Wish. So there's this kid, we're helping him out. His name is Kai. He has neuroblastoma. He's 4 years old, so he's a trooper. You know, he's 4. It's really young. So if you guys wanna donate anything, feel free to just scan the QR code. Any amount helps, of course. And I'll be flashing this on later naman all throughout. So if you guys wanna take another, if you guys think to donate right now or you plan on donating later, okay lang din. Yun lang. So, okay. Before we start, magpasalamat muna tayo kay Los Chachos for having us. So palakpakan natin sila. They have great food and very cheap beer. So feel free to order, you know, while doing the whole trivia shit back, okay? Alright, so we'll talk game rules. Each team has been given a whiteboard and a marker. If may mawalan man ng tinta sa marker, you know, just let me know, like raise your hand or something. Bibigyan ko lang sa inyo. Everyone will be given 15 to 30 seconds to answer each question. Siguro averaging out to 20 seconds. I'm just looking at my watch. Spelling is of utmost importance, of course, and if you have the right answer, keep your board up. So, if you guys have the correct answer, leave it up so that I can count it. And then when I call your team name, then yun na pwede ko ba, okay? And don't erase your answer para agad, okay? Because I won't count the answer, here is it, okay? Captioning is welcome, but only during the breaks, of course, and no cheating, syempre. So no Google, no ChatGPT, none of that crap. If I catch you cheating once, I will give you a warning. Second time around, I will put you to the, sa pinakababa ng leaderboard, no matter what. Okay? I think that's fair naman, so it doesn't matter if you play to the best of your ability all throughout the night, but if you cheated twice, wala na, nasa ilalim na kayo. Okay? Alright, so very simple rules na naman. Okay, are you guys ready for our first round? Okay. This is us trying. 35 points. Next up with 39 points, we have Guilty as Seven. Okay. We have another tie for 40 points, but
Cheers! Ano yun? Ay April 27 Sunday. Diyos ko, bato na.
The hell?
Wow! Wait. Ba yan? Ginanon mo? Pipicturean? Ako. We made it together. Ano masasabi mo?
sarap nitong ice cream. Ano ba yan? Pangit to eh.
Ayan. Pogi. Ayun. Nasobrahan. Nagutom yung Pogi.
Yes, nagutom ako.
Pogi. Hehehe. Hello! Hello!
Let's go!
Ayan, dahil kakakain lang. O, diba? Kitang-kita na nasa Jollibee. Okay, ikaw muna. Ayan.
Yung burger is 2.
2. Lagi mo na-order yan. Pancake ng Jollibee.
is 3.
Okay? Ako, hindi ko trip yan.
Ako yan.
Sweet chili chicken. Naabutan mo ba yan?
Hindi ko maalala yan eh. 10 na. Dahil hindi ko lang maalala.
Palabok.
Palabok, mga 6. Pero kasi nung inuubok.
Ayan, kinain ko kanina.
Ano ko lang yun eh, for
Champ?
champ ko, 1.
Eh? Honey beef fries.
9. Ha? Sa akin. Price
Right.
5.
Kakakain mo lang yan.
7.
Ito yan, no?
7.
Last.
Ay, kako.
Ito yan, no?
Sama na kasi ako doon sa iba, kaya yan yung pinili ko. Para iba. Okay na.
Okay, so my turn. Hindi ko masyado maalala yung lasa nito, pero siguro 6. Kung hindi lang ako bawal na to ngayon dahil sa skin allergy, I'll give it a 3. Kung hindi rin bawal sa akin to dahil sa skin allergy ko, I'll give it a 2. Jolly hotdog a 4. 9. Hindi ko gusto yung pancake dito. Pwede na. Ayan, top 1 ko yan. Ayan, paborito ko yan. Naabutan ko 50 pesos pa yung burger steak. Tuna pa. Kung hindi rin ako bawal dyan, bet ko yan. Kinain ko yan ngayon. Ayan na. Ayan. Nagsaing. Nagluto. Ayan, may kakainin. Luto tayo ngayon. Ayan naman. Kasi tayo muna natin. Lemon daw muna. Kunti lang.
Sige. Hanggang saan?
Hanggang dun sa ng bilog ng kutsara. Yan. Ayan, hanggang kalahati.
Tawag dito is smart dough.
Smart dough.
Or lemon sea.
Ayan na.
Oo, di ko.
Siya.
Wait,
Hello?
Tulog sa labas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Ha? Hello?
Pero na.